At Lucintel, we've done significant research into the use of epoxy resin in the global composites market. Today I'll share with you how we characterize this market as well as some of the dynamics at work and where we see opportunities. This thought leadership video is based on Lucintel's market research report on epoxy resin in the global composites industry. We've done considerable secondary research and conducted primary interviews with players throughout the value chain to develop our insights. Before I share some of our analysis, let me briefly introduce myself as well as Lucintel. My name is Brandon Fitzgerald and I'm a director at Lucintel. I've worked with over 100 companies in the areas of growth strategy and mergers and acquisitions. Lucintel is a management consulting and market research firm headquartered in Dallas, Texas. We have over 1,000 clients worldwide, and we offer services in the areas of market entry strategy, opportunity screening, due diligence, value chain analysis, and M&A. Now, let me share some of our perspective on the opportunities in play for epoxy resin in the global composites industry. To summarize, we see the opportunity as being interesting. For example, the global market is projected to grow to a value of roughly $4.2 billion by 2025. This represents a compound annual growth rate of around 3.1%. In terms of the overall opportunity, epoxy resin represents roughly 29% of the global composites thermoset market. Currently, electrical and electronics is the largest end-use industry for epoxy resin in composites. In terms of the regions, the Asia Pacific offers the largest demand, followed by North America, and then by Europe. If you look into the value chain, you see that the ecosystem for this market is composed of a diverse group of companies. Now, let me share some of our perspective on some of the key drivers and emerging trends that we're seeing in this market. Some of the major drivers include increasing demand for multifunctional printed circuit boards. Some of the major challenges include the inability to recycle the epoxy resin. In terms of some of the emerging trends, we're seeing growing usage of hybrid and halogen-free, environmentally friendly, flame-retardant epoxy resin as being a significant trend in this market. As you've seen, Lucintel has examined different drivers, challenges, and trends throughout the value chain. In order to compete more effectively, our analysis indicates that companies could invest in capabilities for non-halogenated flame-retardant resin manufacturing. These insights are based on Lucintel's market research report on the use of epoxy resin in the global composites market. This report is designed to help you identify opportunities across different application segments and regions for your company. At Lucintel, we have an extensive toolkit to address strategic questions such as what kind of game-changer actions exist in the market? Or is a more incremental approach to growth better? Or where should I focus sales and marketing resources based on a voice of customer analysis? To learn the answers to these and other questions about the use of epoxy resin in the global composites market, please contact Lucintel. Thank you very much for listening to our video today.